Indian Masterminds Quiz, National Awards and Honors. The quiz is divided into 3 levels: easy, medium, and hard. For every correct answer in level 1, you score 1 point. In level 2, each right answer gets you 2 points. And in the toughest level 3, every correct answer earns you a solid 3 points. No negative marking, so take your shot. With 17 questions, your maximum possible score? 33 points. Let the quiz begin. At the end of the quiz, calculate your total score out of 30. Share your score and title in the comments section to see how you stack up. Level 1, easy. Who was the first sportsperson to receive the Bharat Ratna? Major Dhyan Chand, Vishwanathan Anand, Abhinav Bindra, Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar, the famous cricketer, was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 2014, making him the first sportsperson to win the Bharat Ratna. Later, there have been calls to award personalities such as Major Dhyan Chand, the hockey champion, and Vishwanathan Anand, the chess player, but Tendulkar remains the sole sportsperson to have won the award till date. Who was the first posthumous awardee of the Bharat Ratna? Hint: he served as the Prime Minister. Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Morarji Desai, Indira Gandhi. Lal Bahadur Shastri, India's second Prime Minister, was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1966, post his sudden death in the same year. Shastri coined the famous slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, and also led India during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. Which of these awards is ranked the highest? Shaurya Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Param Veer Chakra, Padma Shri. The Param Veer Chakra is the highest gallantry award in wartime, over Mahavir Chakra, second highest, and the Shaurya Chakra, third. Who was the first woman recipient of the Ashok Chakra? Kamlesh Kumari, Neerja Bhanot, Gloria Berry, Lakshmi Sehgal. Neerja Bhanot, the head stewardess for Pan Am Flight 103, was awarded the Ashok Chakra posthumously for her actions during the terrorist attack that took place when the flight landed in Karachi. Bhanot's actions, such as hiding the passports of American passengers and lying to the terrorists, helped save numerous passengers. Bhanot herself was shot by the terrorists and died during treatment. Which of these movies holds the record for winning the highest number of national awards? Lagan, RRR, Bajirao Mastani, Gangubai Kathiawadi. The answer is Lagan. The 2001 masterpiece Lagan won a record 8 national awards during the award ceremony in the same year. Bajirao Mastani, 2015, ranks a close second, with 7 national awards. Which of these figures have never been awarded a Bharat Ratna? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jayaprakash Narayan, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, the freedom fighter and acknowledged as the father of the nation, has never received a Bharat Ratna. In fact, a suit was filed in 2012 in the Karnataka High Court to issue directions to the government for awarding of the Ratna to Gandhi, but the court ruled that the awardees are decided solely by the government, with no outside influence. Level 2 medium. Which of these services members have not been awarded with an Ashok Chakra? CRPF, Delhi Police, Indian Navy, Territorial Army. Unlike the other armed forces and paramilitary forces, the Indian Naval Forces members have never won an Ashok Chakra, the highest gallantry award in peacetime. Indian Army members have won the most Ashok Chakras, especially during the Kashmir insurgency. Who was the first posthumous awardee of the Dadasaheb Phalke Award? Prithviraj Kapoor, Rajesh Khanna, Yash Chopra, Manna De. While Prithviraj Kapoor was awarded the Dadasaheb Phalke Award for Lifetime Achievement as a part of the 1971 National Film Awards, he passed away before the award ceremony. Raj Kapoor, his son, accepted the award on his behalf, and would himself be awarded with the same honor in 1987. Who was the first woman to win the Bharat Ratna? Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, Mother Teresa, Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was awarded the Bharat Ratna for contributions to public service in 1971, a time when she was the sitting Prime Minister. The Bharat Ratna being awarded by the Prime Minister to themselves caused immense controversy. While the President formally presents the award, the Government of India chooses the awardees. Which of these famous film personalities have never won the Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Raj Kapoor, Wahida Raman, R.D. Burman, Shyam Benegal. R.D. Burman, known for his music direction and composition skills, prepared the music for many critically acclaimed films such as Padossan, 1968, and Sholay, 1975, and many more, has never been awarded the Lifetime Achievement Award. Other notable snubs include Kishore Kumar and Rajesh Khanna, who never received the award despite being critically acclaimed for their work in the industry. This person holds the record for winning the most national film awards, with a staggering 35 awards. Who is this person? Satyajit Ray, A.R. Rahman, Udit Narayan, Shah Rukh Khan. Satyajit Ray holds the record for winning the most national film awards in India, with an incredible total of 35 awards. He is celebrated as one of the greatest filmmakers and storytellers in Indian cinema history, with award-winning films such as Pantha Panchali, 1955, and the Appu trilogy, 1955-59. The Param Veer Chakra can be awarded more than once. A. True. B. False. Contrary to popular perception, the Param Veer Chakra can be awarded more than once, as the rules place no bar on multiple awards to the same person. A twice awardee is honored by placing a bar on their medal, and subsequent bars if they win more. However, till date, no person has won the Param Veer Chakra twice. Level 3 Hard. Of all the Param Veer Chakra awardees, only one is from the Indian Air Force. Who is this person? Nirmal Jeet Singh Sekhon, Meher Singh, S. K. Kaul, Jag Mohan Nath. The sole awardee of the Param Veer Chakra not belonging to the Indian Army, Nirmal Jeet Singh Sekhon was awarded the Chakra for his actions and flying during the 1971 Indo-Pak War. This former Chief Minister of Bihar was the latest Bharat Ratna awardee. Chandrasekhar Singh, Karpuri Thakur, Binshwari Dubey, Jagannath Mishra. Karpuri Thakur, a prominent socialist leader and former Chief Minister of Bihar, was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna on January 23, 2024, a day before his 100th birth anniversary. Revered as Jan Nayak, people's leader, he was honored for his pioneering efforts in championing social justice and empowering marginalized communities. This person holds the distinction of winning all 4 civilian awards, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna. Who is this person? Bhupen Hazarika, Abdul Ghaffar Khan, K. Kamraj, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, one of the great proponents of Hindustani classical vocal music, is one of the few persons to have won all 4 of the civilian awards. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1972, the Padma Bhushan in 1985, the Padma Vibhushan in 1999, and finally the Bharat Ratna in 2008. Who is the oldest recipient of the Bharat Ratna? Vinoba Bhave, Dhondho Keshav Karve, Gulzari Lal Nanda, Ustad Bismillah Khan. Dhodhano Keshav Karve, a social and land reformer from Maharashtra, was 100 years old when he received the award, making him the oldest recipient of the award. Only 2 non-Indians have ever been awarded the Ashok Chakra. Which country did these 2 people belong to? Soviet Union, Nepal, United States, Sri Lanka. The right answer is option A, Soviet Union. Gennady Strikalov and Yuri Malyshev, the 2 Russian cosmonauts who accompanied Rakesh Sharma in the Soyuz T-11 capsule, were both awarded the Ashok Chakra in 1984. Rakesh Sharma himself was awarded the Chakra in 1985. For every correct answer in level 1, you score 1 point. In level 2, each right answer gets you 2 points. And in the toughest level 3, every correct answer earns you a solid 3 points. No negative marking, so take your shot. With 17 questions, your maximum possible score? 33 points. Let the quiz begin. Calculate your total score out of 30. Share your score and title in the comments section to see how you stack up. Thank you for playing the Indian Masterminds quiz. Share this quiz and compete with your friends and family. What is your final score? Don't forget to write that in the comments. If you like this video, then like and subscribe to Indian Masterminds. We will see you next week with another quiz.